Right, so we've done sort of the basic, and now we're just adding a little bit of black just in between as in the rest of the tail here. Just adding, just blending in. And I'm just using a brush here. And I'm also using it with a little bit of water and ceramic glaze. Then once you've done that, and I've finished that now, I'm just going to add just a little bit here of the treasure gold here, just to finish off everything. I'm not going to add any more glaze onto it because we've added glaze in with the water and when we were mixing the paint, so that will actually be adhesive and actually will be waterproof almost. Not that it's going to go into water, but it will fix it into place. Now I'm using this treasure gold just to finish off little bits and pieces, so I'm just using my finger here. You only need a tiny bit, and then I'd just like to finish off, as I can see from the rest of the tail here, and it's just going through, adding just a bit. Doesn't take too long to dry, and I'll just keep going along. Don't want to use too much, and it will just help blend everything in. And then just keep working all the way along, looking at lots of different angles. I love this product. So I will put some, it's in the description box down below, so if you do want to buy any of this, I'd highly recommend it. It's just useful, and a little pot goes a long way and lasts a very long time. And we just keep adding to. Again, there's lots of different colour tones in this, so you can use your fingers and you can just get in there. It doesn't have to be perfect. There's a tiny bit more there. And then just keep looking at lots of different angles. And a bit by the tail as well, just to kind of blend everything in a bit. And there we are, our finished item. So it's all blended in, finished well, ready for the client. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on